I have done too many upgrades on my bikes over the years, and some of them are good investments, like a pair of egg beater pedals on my first MTB, and others are sort of regrettable, like the set of Scott Aero bars that I installed on my road bike. However, the most high value upgrade is one I just made for the second time, actually, once for an old road bike and just now for my MTB. And what's more is that it doesn't impact the way the bike rides one iota. So stick around to find out what this $140 upgrade is all about. Okay, as you can see here, I have completely stripped all the components off my bike in anticipation of bringing it in to get it repainted. And here's the frame. It's a, I think it's like early 2000s Voodoo Boker. I am now looking to convert this into an MTB, and I'm going to get this thing painted professionally. It's seen a lot of miles, so thinking about getting it done in white. All right, so here I am at B&C powder coating and about to head in to start the process of sandblasting and powder coating the frame. See you in there.
I took videos of it for you.
Oh, awesome.
Coming in, coming out of strip. And we only blasted around maybe 45 PSI.
Wow.
So now we're clean white metal, handled with gloves
Got it. Yeah.
after the fact.
Now, I'm surprised how gray it is as opposed to silver. That's just what it looks like when it's been...
So what it does is it leaves a small little tiny profile, the sand marks in there.
So it grabs on.
It gives it a little bit of a physical property
Yeah.
for it to adhere to as well. We have your high temperature masking tape. Check over everything for additional threads. That's pretty much everything we got. Rounded surfaces. I'll just take if there's any heavy debris. So when I usually attack a bicycle or something with tight areas here like this, I hit those first. So they're a hard to reach area. It's called Faraday cage. It's gonna blow the powder away.
Yeah.
So you know, tip of your welds, corners like this, your Faraday cage is gonna play an effect. Now you kind of get around it with some of the settings on the gun. how you shoot it, how you maneuver the gun itself. You want to make sure you try to get that, but you don't want to build up in other areas as well. That'll go in for a partial cure, about 390, 400 degrees. We'll let the powder flash out, turn into a gel. We're not going to cure it all the way, so that when we do reapply that final second coat, you get a chemical bond plus a physical bond.
Got it. So how long is it sitting here?
Maybe 10 minutes.
Oh, it's not
15
short.
minutes.
Packing it up, heading home, and it's back there in the back. Can you see it sitting there, all wrapped up in plastic wrap? Oh, so beautiful. Thanks again to Craig of B&C Powder Coating. He runs a great operation. Really was wonderful for him to give me the opportunity to film him. I really appreciate all the time and energy he put into this. So anyway, out of Meriden. So if you want to get your frame painted, I would certainly recommend that you contact. I'll put the contact information right here on the screen, and if you're interested in getting it done. So appreciate it, Craig, and thanks for all your hard work and wonderful craftsmanship.